The UK is the fastest growing Amazon marketplace globally right now, 51% increase year on year. But if you live in Australia, how the hell do you get set up in the UK? In fact, the biggest thing you're going to have to do is get yourself registered for VAT in the UK. How'd you do that? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you. Now, if you like this kind of money making information where I'm helping you expand your business globally, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I will know that you want more money making information just like this. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I post brand new money making information each and every day. And if you've got any questions for me or comments, comment below and I'll answer it personally for you. With that being said, let's get into some VAT. So I talked about selling stuff in the UK, and I also told you that the UK, Amazon.co.uk, is the fastest growing marketplace out of all the Amazon marketplaces, 51% year on year growth. It's a fantastic marketplace to sell in. If you are looking at a second market to sell in, Amazon.co.uk ought to be very, very high on that list of where you actually think of selling, okay? Really good market. But one of the things about selling in the UK is VAT, value added tax. And it can put a lot of people off because they don't quite understand how to make VAT work. Can they sell in the UK with an Aussie business? Like, how the hell does all that happen? Turns out it's actually very, very simple to do. If you have got a Australian business, an entity in Australia, like you've got an ABN, then it's very easy for you to sell into the UK. You do not need a UK company to do that, okay? You don't need that. You still have to charge VAT. You don't get to escape that. You still have to pay GST when you, VAT, not GST, VAT, when you bring your products into the UK from Australia, China, wherever it may be, you'll have to pay VAT on them. And when you sell them on Amazon, you've got to charge VAT. So that means you've got to account for VAT as well, okay? So how do you do all that? Outsource it is the answer to that. Outsource it. Amazon has got a service which is very, very good. And I reckon this is the place to start. Just get Amazon to do your VAT for you. Very, very simple. They'll handle all that compliance for you. You don't need to do any of it, okay? So they'll take care of the charging of it and things like that. But then you've still got the VAT side of things when you're bringing products into the UK, okay? You don't get to escape that, although you do get a lower VAT rate, especially if you're a new business. Anyway, so what about that? Well, again, you want to outsource that. So here are the company. Well, this is who I use, simplyvat.com, simplyvat.com. Awesome. These do EU and UK. Very, very easy, very, very cheap, and they'll look after all of that for you, okay? So don't you try and do it. It's difficult unless you know what you're doing. And why learn this shit when somebody else can do it for you better? So Simply VAT, okay? And then the people who I haven't used, but I know friends of mine have used and have had a very, very good result from them is taxassist.co.uk, taxassist.co.uk. This is a brilliant website. Whoever did this website, really, very, very good. Anyway, so they will handle all that for you. And as you grow and scale your business, you'll want to set up an entity in the UK. And the easiest way of doing that is through a subsidiary. Okay, that's the easiest way to do that. It gets rid of a lot of compliance within the UK. If you say you've got your Aussie business and then you've got a UK subsidiary, gets rid of heaps of compliance. Anyway, so when you do that, Tax Assist, very, very good for that. And then I also hear very, very good things. Again, I haven't used them, but very, very good things about these guys too. Bevan Buckland. These are very, very good. I've got quite a few of my mates in the UK who are selling on Amazon using these to do their accounts for them, okay? That's how I would do it. Don't kind of kill yourself thinking that you've got to figure all this shit out. It's like I don't do any of my own freight forwarding. Okay. I don't do that because it's not only cheaper for me to get somebody else to do it for me, but it's better because they'll do a much better job. Same. Okay. Don't think that you've got to learn everything. Learn to leverage and use great people on a team that you put together. That's the way to grow and scale, not by doing everything yourself, but by learning to use other people to do things that they're good at, so that you don't have to, you can focus on what's important for your business. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 members and growing. We're actually the fastest growing e-commerce community right here in Australia with sales of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au and I will see you on the inside. Until then, bye!